Oh, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you said you had a problem with your laptop.
You don't mind if IT fiddle about a bit while we speak, do you?
Well, actually,
You're no good. I can't seem to get it open.
You want me to open it? That's why you call me all the way up here, to open your laptop.
I would be beholden to you.
No problem.
I do think, given the delicate nature of our conversation...
Yeah, money, money, money. That's the problem with you people. It's always about money. Roy, give me £20.
What?
Give me £20. I'll pay you back.
Yeah.
You know what I think of money? Whew, that's what I think of money. Oh, you've opened it. Thanks, Roy.
You're welcome.
Mr. Renham, you do know that Japan have expressed concern.
What, the whole country?